things are going on this terrific Tuesday. When I was out and about yesterday afternoon, it was so nice and sunny, but still had the breeze too while I was jogging. So, you know, best of both worlds there.
For sure, we have that breeze, and I think we're going to feel a little bit more today and even still tomorrow. And that's all bringing in some of the warmer and more humid air, setting us up for this little difference in the way it feels out there this morning. I do think we're going to cook up some clouds at times today too, but we'll still climb into the mid-70s or even warmer. And tonight we're likely to keep it closer to 60 in more spots. There are some clouds to our north and west trying to spill on into our skies, and they're going to be somewhat successful at times today. We feel some of that breeze even this morning. Today we've got mid-50s for temperatures in lots of spots. We've got mid-50s for dew points, so it's a very different air mass out there, one that's a little bit more conducive to even talk about a few showers when this next boundary tries to get here tomorrow, even if I'm still not convinced it's going to be much of a rainmaker. 60 right now at Marianna, 61 at Quincy, 63 at Bainbridge. It's 56 in Perry, 52 in Live Oak, and 46 in Cross City. So to the east, where not only the skies a little bit clearer, but the winds are a little bit calmer, we've got some cooler temperatures. To the west, a little more breeze, a few more clouds, and we've got slightly warmer temperatures. I even see some patchy fog in Cross City and in Live Oak. It's not widespread fog, but we did increase the moisture yesterday, so some fog is something we'll be on the lookout for, especially in the areas where the winds aren't so noticeable. Now across our part of the southeast, it's not wall-to-wall gray, gloomy overcast, and it's not going to be, not today, probably not even tomorrow. But as we go through the day tomorrow, we'll notice an increase in the clouds. We'll even notice some at times today. And as this next piece of energy moves off towards the Great Lakes and drags this boundary east, it will try to find some moisture to bring a couple of showers. And I think that's a possibility for our area late tomorrow. How far east and south this boundary gets before stalling, big question. And then some new energy that tries to develop to the west is really going to be a player later on this week. It all stays warmer, but how wet we end up being is going to have a lot to do with where that boundary gets to. You can see by 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow night that boundary's trying to get here. There's trying to be enough oomph to get a few showers. I think we can get some, but a lot of that's probably going to fall apart. And then you see how the clouds don't ever go away. That's the issue. We end up switching towards more unsettled for Thursday, for Friday, and into the weekend. And remember, unsettled is what we say when we say it's going to look and feel like it should be raining a lot more than it actually does. Now, I do think we'll find some showers at times. Does not feel like we're talking all the time rain, at least not yet. Let's see how everything develops. Today is only Tuesday. We're talking about Friday, Saturday, lots of time in between. For today on the Gulf, getting breezy, winds out of the south, maybe up to 18 or 20 knots. 50s and 60s for temperatures this morning. We'll call that mild. Partly cloudy skies throughout the day today. I still think we get to the mid-70s, if not a little warmer than that, and we will notice the breeze today. Mid-50s tonight, maybe even a few more areas in the upper 50s, so definitely more mild. Here's that 7-day forecast. Today, tomorrow, warm. Afternoons up near 80. We get that little boundary through the area. We knock the temperatures down a few degrees, but still very seasonable and on the warmer side in the mornings, Thursday, Friday. At this point, it still feels like our best chance for showers Friday, Saturday, but right now, we're just calling it shower.